Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making breakfast hash brown casserole. Alright guys, I'm starting out here in a large bowl. I just scrambled up 8 large eggs. And I'm going to add to that a 12-ounce can of evaporated milk. Just going to stir that in. Now I have a half of a green bell pepper, a half of a red bell pepper, and a small onion I diced up. We're going to get that in there. Dexter, you going to say hi to everyone? Just going to give that a quick stir. And I'm going to add in, I don't want to lose my fork. I should have saved my plate, guys. I'll put my fork over here. I'm going to add some cheddar cheese in. I'm going to add about a cup of cheddar cheese in here. And I'm just eyeballing that. I'm going to add in about a half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. If you can't get Italian seasoning, a little bit of oregano will work. I'm going to add in a half a teaspoon of black pepper. And I'm going to add in a teaspoon of salt. And your salt is to taste, so add in as much as you like or as little as you like. Now I have a pound of Italian sausage here. I browned up and broke up and I allowed it to cool a little bit. I'm going to add that into the egg mixture. And if you have a really fatty sausage, you're going to have to drain the grease off. Mine wasn't fatty, so I didn't have to worry about it. I'm going to mix this together, and I'm going to set it aside just for right now. Okay, I have a 9x13 baking pan. I'm going to spray with a little bit of canola spray to keep my casserole from sticking. And I have a 30-ounce bag of shredded hash browns. We're going to get them in there. And these here I thawed in the fridge overnight. You want to thaw them out first. You just want to get them down in the bottom of your casserole pan. And I'm just going to even them out. Now I'm going to take a little bit of cheese, not a whole lot, just a little bit, and we're going to sprinkle it over top of the hash browns. We don't want that much that our egg won't soak down into the hash browns. I'm going to take that egg vegetable mixture we just mixed up a minute ago, and I'm going to dump that over top of our hash browns. And I'm just going to take my fork and smooth it out, spread it out evenly. And we're looking good. We're looking real good. Now I'm going to take some more cheese and sprinkle on top. Yes, Dexter. What? No, those are chocolate Easter eggs I use, Dexter. Chocolate Easter eggs. You know, he's sensitive about eggs and chickens and stuff like that, so we gotta watch what we say. So I'm gonna sprinkle about 2 cups of cheese over top of my casserole here. Now I'm going to take some foil. I'm going to cover this with foil. I'm going to put this in a 350-degree oven for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, I'm going to pull the foil off and let it go for another 20 minutes with the foil off to melt that cheese and brown it. And that's going to be a total of 1 hour of cooking time. So when this is ready to come out, I'll bring you guys back. Alright guys, this is done. It just came out of the oven. You can see how the cheese is all nice and golden brown and melted. And while I was waiting for it to finish up that last 20 minutes in the oven, I gave my friend Darren in Oklahoma a call. He's a friend, a subscriber, and a viewer to my channel. He wanted to know could he use frozen meatballs instead of a ground beef and Salisbury sticks. And I said that probably would work as long as you just use a home-style meatball, not an Italian one. So he's going to give that a try and let me know how it turns out. Shout out to you there, Darren. How you doing, buddy? Dexter saying hey to you. Alright guys, let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Guys, you can see how that held its shape really nice. It's kind of like a frittata. You got the eggs, the potato, the meat, cheese, vegetables. Let me give this a try. That's really delicious, guys. First off, you get the spiciness of the sausage. You get that cheese and you get that potato, the shredded hash brown. You get the egg in there, the peppers and onions. It's really delicious, guys, and as you see, it wasn't hard at all. Alright, there you have it, hash brown breakfast casserole. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.